Hello, this video is to cover Module 1. You'll recall that each module will cover a 2-week time span, and each one are set up the same, with an instructional folder, assignment folder, review folder, and assessment folder. It makes sense to work from the top down, but you can do these in any order. We'll look at the instructional folder first to find out what our chapters will be covering. We are looking at, again, there are 2 different textbooks. The ODW is Our Digital World, and the CA is the Computer Concepts and Applications text. So the ODW will be looking at Chapter 1, and the CA text will be looking at Chapter 1 and Chapter 3. So you can also access this information in and actually hear and interact with, instead of just reading, you can listen to the video as well.
1, Section 1.
Going back to our Blackboard, the CA, Computer Concepts, has 2 different chapters, as I mentioned, Chapter 1 and 3. We're going to learn some of the basics that perhaps you already are familiar with all of these, but it's just setting the groundwork to move forward so that we're all on the same playing field and understanding on how to use a computer, the input devices such as a mouse, a keyboard, touch screen, touchpad, some of those basics like signing out, logging in, how to customize your start menu. And Chapter 3 is a little bit more in depth on opening an application in Office. Some of the features like what does a ribbon mean, how to save it, how to export, copying and pasting. So all those good things that are very foundational, and some of these that you just automatically do and you don't even realize perhaps what you're doing and how you're doing it so fast, because we are just a modern digital world anyways. So again, that instructional folder is the first one, and then we can go to the assignment folder. Assignments are graded, and you have an assignment in the ODW where you'll be watching videos. You'll have unlimited access to the videos and just one access point for the quiz itself. So you can log in and watch the individual videos to cover the information that we are learning about being a good digital citizen. Our CA Computer Applications assignment is going to be using CIS platform. So hopefully you've got that access code. If not a trial code started, you'll have either a trial or a purchased code in order to access these. And these are individual tutorials that you can work through individually. And I went larger than my screen there, sorry. So you'll have one for both Chapter 1 and Chapter 3. And each week there are some bonus opportunities, and terms are a standard bonus opportunity. Gives you a chance to get more familiar with those terms and give you credit for actually putting them into an assignment in order for some extra bonus points that adds up over time. And you can just fill those in, save it, and submit it in Blackboard. So that is the assignment folder. Our review folder are non-graded activities that help you get to learn the material a little bit more. You can check out flashcards, you can look at summing things up. Let's just check that out, see what that is. Gives you an overview of each of the individual sections. Drag and drop activities, check your understanding quizzes. So as you can see, there are a number of different things that you can check out in order to kind of more fun ways of learning the material. And then we are in the assessment folder, which is a theory test. Each week you'll have a theory test and a skills check test. And you will be able to do those. Theory is Blackboard based, and skills check test is in the CIS platform. Let me know if you have any questions this week. Good luck.